Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's class. It's on adverb clause. How are you? I hope you're good. So let's begin our class. What is an adverb? An adverb is a part of speech that describes an adjective, another adverb, or a verb. In general, adverbs give more information about how, why, where, and when actions were performed. An adverb does this with just one word, but groups of words can also perform this function in sentences. For example, she walked slowly, just one word, slowly. But then she walked like an old lady. Like an old lady is a group of words. She walked as if she were heading to the gallows. Another, as if she were heading to the gallows is a group of words. In each of these sentences, the highlighted words answer the question how and describe the verb walked. In the first sentence, there is only one adverb, but in the other two sentences, groups of words work together to act as adverbs. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that contain both a subject and a verb. This differs from a phrase which doesn't have a subject and a verb. For example, let's revisit our examples of words being used together as adverbs. She walked like an old lady. So in like an old lady, there is no subject, no verb. But she walked as if she were heading to the gallows. There is one subject. Let's discover it in the next slide. Yes. In the above example, like an old lady does not contain a subject and a verb and is therefore an adverb phrase. However, as if she were heading to the gallows does contain a subject, which is she, and a verb, were heading, making it an adverb clause. Now, with this, we move to the next step. That is, clauses can be either independent or dependent. So, clauses can be either independent or dependent. Independent clauses are also called sentences. They can stand alone and express a complete thought. Dependent clauses or subordinate clauses cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, because he had a college degree, he got a great job. But if you want to use the words because he had a college degree, you cannot simply, completely convey your thought. There is something missing. There is a feeling, right? Now, when the storm started, she was at the store. If I say when the storm started, uh, my listener would like to know what. What then? Then in the third example, Bob wore the coat that I gave him. That I gave him again is a dependent clause. The highlighted words in each sentence are dependent clauses and they cannot stand alone. What is an adverb clause? Adverb or adverbial clauses are dependent clauses that function as adverbs. Since they are dependent clauses, they must have subordinating conjunctions to connect them to the rest of the sentence. Where and how to place adverb clauses. Adverb clauses can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. When placed at the beginning or in the middle, They require a comma to offset them from the rest of the sentence. Have a look. Whether you like it or not, you have to go. So, the green words are separated with a comma, right, from the black words. The boy, although he is very bright, failed math. Again, green words are separated from the rest of the sentence with commas. However, when the adverb clause is at the end of a sentence, no comma is needed. For example, she enjoyed the party more than he did. Adverb clauses answer where, when, why, and how questions in sentences. For example, when can answer the questions like after, when, until, soon, before, once, while, and so on and so forth. Similarly, we have how, and we answer it like if, with if, whether or not, provided, in case, and so on. Similarly, we have why, and we answer it with because, as, since, so, in order that, and other words. And lastly, we have where, so that is answered with where and wherever. These adverbial clauses answer the questions where. For example, wherever there is music, people will dance. You can drop by for a visit where we are staying for the summer. So these are called adverb clauses of place. Then we have adverb clauses of time. These adverbial clauses answer the question when. After the chores are done, we will eat some ice cream. When the clock strikes midnight, she has to leave. Then we have adverb clauses of cause. These adverb clauses answer the question why. She passed the course because she worked hard. Since he has long hair, he wears a ponytail. Then we have adverb clauses of purpose. These adverb clauses also answer the question why. So that he would not ruin the carpet, he took off his shoes. He ate vegetables in order that he could stay healthy. Adverb clauses of condition. These adverb clauses answer the question how. If you save some money, you can buy a new game. Unless you hurry, you will be late for school. Adverb clauses of concession. These adverb clauses answer the question how, albeit in a roundabout way. Even though you are 13, you can't go to that movie. Although you gave it your best, effort, you did not win the match. So that is it for today's lesson. And I thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope to receive comments. Constructive criticism is always welcome. So see you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Israr Ahmed Khan.